Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm here with my buddy Vinks. We're going to be cooking pie irons again. We're going to be making pizza pockets. So I've got Pillsbury pizza crust. We got pizza sauce. Little mini pepperonis. And mozzarella cheese. Which, by the way, all four of these ingredients, fairly cheap. Like $2.50. $2.59, $1.59, and like I think $2, like 2 for $4. So, and I'm gonna make more than quite a few, but I'm gonna cook them up in a pie iron. So, I've actually never done this before, so first I have to go through the terror of popping the dough. Okay. Where's the lid gotta go? Let's see. I don't want to send everything flying, so. Yep, there we go. Also don't know how big this is going to be either, so. So it's basically one big long pizza. So we're going to cut it in half. I kind of figured that's where it was going to be. So chop it in half. I hope half. I might have cut this a little too shallow, but I'm just making these kind of, I should zoom the camera in. Okay. So we're gonna go with some pizza sauce. Pepperonis. See, last time I made, actually the video hasn't been uploaded yet, but I made some of these with, I made Canadian bacon and cheese, Swiss cheese crescent rolls, which came out really good, but I didn't cut the meat up, so the meat was sort of a pain to work with, and when you bite into it, let's see. So, less fillings next time, I think. Not sure, this probably won't even fit in the pie iron, so see how this works. There might be some running, but I suspect a lot of this cheese is going to come running out of here, but I'll just have to adjust. There we go. And we'll see how big of a train wreck that first batch is going to be. Alright, we give this its first turn. There we go. It's probably been, 4, maybe 5 minutes tops. I just want to make sure it's getting nice. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds like it's sizzling in there. It's crazy. Alrighty, let's open the irons and have a look. A little nervous. Oh, well. Going by the color, they look done. So, kind of leaked out everywhere, which I kind of expected. Which might be done. There's some good color on it. Maybe a little dark, but it's alright. No flavor, no color. Or no color, no flavor. Let those cool down and then we'll dig into it. Well, I was going to do this off camera, but I decided to do it on camera. I think they'll cool quicker if I hold them out of the pan. Not much stickage at all.
It's like a mouthful of goodness.
Yeah. Actually, no stickage. So that, nice. All right, so let's talk about ingredients. Now, I only picked pepperoni, cheese, and sauce because I wanted to start off simple. I've never done this before, never cooked the products before, so keep it simple. Now, if you want to add more stuff, by all means. Now, I'm never going to put pineapple in here because pineapple does not belong on pizza.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Someone else who agrees.
Yes. Absolutely. Whoever thought that was a good idea is just completely wrong in life.
Yeah. Like, just, it's not the flavor. I actually like pineapple. It's not the flavor of the pineapple. It's the moisture that the pineapple leaves on a pizza.
Yeah.
It's like, if you could find a way to have your pineapple on there and not have it all moist underneath, because I like my pizza kind of crispy, then that might be good, but no, just leave it off. Put pineapple on the side. All right. Inside. They're not burning hot to the touch. I'm going to snag the mozzarella. Pop yourself. Thank you.
That's damn good.
No.
That's damn good.
Got a little crispy, but what are you gonna do?
I kind of like the crisp. Give it that campfire flavor.
Yeah.
I might have to actually go and buy one of those little setups now.
Oh, the iron?
Yeah.
Mine were a gift from a YouTuber, Tracy Phillips.
My wife is going to love this idea.
And the ingredients were so cheap too. I mean, you could throw in there really anything you want. I mean, you can put onions, pepper, mushrooms.
That's what I was saying, some mushrooms.
You know, I almost brought mushrooms with me, and then brought my little skillet and just sauteed them up with some garlic, and just put them in there. Good and cheap to make, man. I mean, the pie irons are only about $20, I think. Well, the little ones are 20. I think the big ones might be like a little bit more. But the ingredients are cheap. And I just seasoned them over the fire, which was easy.
Big ones will probably make you a calzone. Thank you. Oh, and you get that nice little piece of fried cheese right there.
Yeah. Damn. So I'm using the rest of the dough and I'm making another one, but I'm using more of the dough this time. So hopefully, I guess it's more of a calzone looking this time, but I should fill out the pie iron more. I also have to think about expansion. I know the dough is going to grow a little bit, but it should be okay.
Above Buck Creek, they had a little Subaru, and they had no way of towing us out, but they had cell service. So I called this buddy of mine, and we stayed there all night in the snow. It was snowing like a motherfucker. But we just had extra blankets, man. We kept warm. We had a way to eat, you know. Finally, my buddy come around 2 o'clock in the morning. How the hell he found us there, I don't.
All right, so I've been turning this over a little bit more often. So let's take a look. I think he's done. She looks done. Doesn't feel doughy at all. Sweet. Filled up the pan nicely. Oh yeah. Just gotta let it cool down so we don't burn the living hell out of our mouths.
I imagine you could even use that over a stove, like a propane stove.
I bet you could.
Needed to.
Yeah. Alright, let's cut this sucker in half. I think it's cooled down enough. There you go, sir.
The first one was good, but I'm gonna say this one came out better.
I actually agree. I flipped it over more often too, so it wouldn't get too toasted. Plus that one I cut in half, and I had to put it in there to get it to fit. But
You know, I bet you these would store well in a backpack just for, you know, a little while.
I can see that.
You know, just toss them in a backpack and, you know, I mean... Could you imagine doing seafood with a, like an Alfredo sauce inside of this?
Seafood.
Alfredo sauce and cheese, like, do some shrimp, do some crab. Drizzle a little Alfredo sauce, put a little mozzarella cheese, fold it up inside of there, stick it on there. That would be amazing, I bet.
Yeah, they would.
Maybe a little spinach inside, just for color.
Well, alrighty. I think the pizza pocket, big success. The first one, not so much, but you know, it was the first time I'd made one. But the second one was a lot better. Kind of wish I'd brought some mushrooms. I think they would have worked well in there, because I like mushrooms. But so as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next one.